How to add a chatbot to your Shopify store. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps of integrating Tidio, the top-rated Shopify chatbot, into your online store. So by using Tidio, you can streamline your customer service operations and take advantage of numerous features that will improve your sales and increase conversion rates. Okay, now let's dive into the process. So the first thing is creating your TDO account. So just visit the website tidio.io. So here you'll be asked different questions. Here just answer them simply. Okay, so once you have successfully registered and set up your TDO account, you can begin benefiting from its powerful features to improve your customer service and drive sales. Okay, so before we start the process, we should integrate the TDO live chatbot with our Shopify store. So let's go to the Shopify store and click on the apps over here. And then let's just click all the recommended apps here. And on the search bar, search for a chatbot. So here you'll see different kinds of chatbots to choose from. But we are going for this one, which says TDO live chatbot. Okay, so click on that, and as you can see here, they have 7 days free trial. So now let's just simply click on install, and then you'll be prompted to another page. And here also let's click on install. So after we finish this process, it will return us to TDO platform. Okay, so to get started, let's just enter a name and choose the option to build automatic workflows with a chatbot. Just answer the provided questions and click next to complete the registration process. Okay, so now in order to add the chatbot widget to your website, head over to the sidebar here and click on the inbox. So just scroll down, and from there you'll find install widget option. So just click on that. So once you are there, click on the appearance from the sidebar. So here you'll be presented with different options like changing colors and so on. So let's just change the color to something like this. And yeah, let's save this change for now. Okay, so our next step is simply to connect our TDO to our Shopify store. So head over to your Shopify store and then click on online store. So from there, click on app embed. So here you'll see a TDO being listed with other apps. Just toggle the button and enable it, and don't forget to save the change. This is also going to be super useful later on for setting up a custom coupon codes. Okay, now let's go back to TDO, so where we can begin setting up our first chatbot. TDO offers a wide range of impressive features, including the recently introduced Lyro AI. This powerful AI-powered chatbot analyzes your frequently asked questions and the data you provide, allowing it to generate customized responses for your customers. So these responses are not generic copy and paste messages, but instead they are created to meet your specific needs of individual customer. Okay, so now let's go to the chatbot section in Tidio. So here, just head over to the task section from the sidebar and click on task templates. So here you'll find various chatbot templates tailored to different needs. They offer features such as a proactive welcome message and the ability to provide discount codes. Okay, so to use any of these templates, let's just simply select this one and click on use template. Okay, so here we can set up any of these templates based on our needs. So for example, let's just choose this template and click on use template. Okay, so here we can either test out the template or click on activate. So let's just click on activate, and here as you can see our template is being listed here. So just click on the corresponding three dots, and from there just choose the edit option. This will open up the TDO chatbot planner. Okay, so here this might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but if you listen carefully, it shouldn't be a problem. So let's break it down into simpler terms. Okay, so on the right side, there are three types of items. So the first one is called a trigger. Well, this is basically what starts your workflow or a chatbot. And it could be a specific event or condition that activates the chatbot. And next we have the conditions. These are additional rules or requirements that can be said. For example, you can add a condition that only shows the chatbot to returning visitors. It helps customize the behavior of the chatbot based on some criteria. And the last one is actions. These are the things that the chatbot does or displays. It could be sending a chat message, presenting different decision buttons, sending emails, randomizing responses, adding text, and so on. So, actions simply determine how the chatbot interacts with the users. So, to summarize, you have triggers to start the chatbot, conditions to set specific rules, and actions to define what the chatbot does or shows during the conversation. So, basically, we will be discussing later whether our chatbot also offers email marketing features. As you can see here, our chatbot allows you to subscribe people to your email list. This is really helpful because you can then send out email marketing campaigns. So in our case, the chatbot is triggered when a visitor clicks on the chat icon. So if the chat status is online, it will continue with the specified actions. You can edit this and add a new quick reply, which could say something like test reply 1. So we can also add a new action such as sending a chat message. So when we connect this action, the test reply 1 will automatically be linked to it. Okay, now let's assume that for this test reply, we want to encourage users to subscribe. So we can include messages like this. So after that, we can add a new action related to Shopify. Since we have integrated our chatbot with a Shopify, so for example, we can add a coupon code. So by connecting this action to the workflow, we can set up a new coupon code. So if the coupon code doesn't exist yet, we can click on add new and create a coupon code with the name. So let's pick a random coupon code here and a value of 10%. Clicking on save will add this coupon code. So let's just click on save and then it will add the coupon code. Now let's go to our Shopify store and click on the discount section here. So here we can see the newly added coupon code. If you can't see the coupon code or any change, just refresh the page and you'll now see the code. So in conclusion, Tidio Live Chatbot is a helpful tool for businesses. It provides features like email marketing and allows visitors to subscribe to mailing lists. So the chatbot can be triggered when someone clicks on the chat icon, and it can continue with various actions based on the chat status. You can customize the chatbot responses and add quick replies. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something useful and thank you for watching.